Hi guys. Yeah, guys. Yeah. But guys, today we're gonna be playing Minecraft, and we finally have soup. We finally have soup in Minecraft. Okay. That was a bit of a weird start. But look at my horse. He's just sitting there having fun. Yeah, we have finally got soup, and we got some wheat. Yeah, what's it called again? Beetroot, yeah. Got the beetroot. In case you don't know how to make these soups, guys, yeah. It's quite easy. Actually, the recipe is kind of hard. Kind of. It's not super hard. Kind of hard. Yeah, it's kind of hard to memorize. And also, guys, if you want to make like 10 soups, don't worry. You can have infinite soups if you have enough of it. I'm like scared go outside because like what if I don't survive and I have soup? So what if I like lose my soup? At least I don't have at least there are no piglins. Like if there were piglins, that would be a great catastrophe. Oh wait, we need a horse armor. My horse needs to have armor because usually I'm just running into trees and having problems. Well, my mic is not a good idea actually. Maybe I'll just talk loud, okay? Because like a video, I'll talk loud so that you guys can understand. Because the mic is not the best. Okay. Oh! We killed it! We killed the cow. Okay. Any more? Oh, the tree is finally grew. It's all over the place. But anyways, I grew to get some wood. Although, why did I just grow there? You know, guys, if you want to grow a tree, make sure you have a huge space. Otherwise, there'll be less space for it to grow. Yeah. And now there are no more cows. So I was technically being rude. Because also, I'm sorry about these. Like, it looks like a meteor attacked this area. There were a bunch of creepers. So if you see all these tracks, they're creepers. Even this is a creeper explosion. Yeah. And I don't have enough time to install it. Okay, we got some of that. That's nice. Put that down. Put the rest over in here. And hopefully I can make some horse armor. I'm not sure, guys. Can I make horse armor? No, I cannot. Let us see how much more we need. One more. Oh, dude. That's just easy. And yeah, we can make those painting things because like we don't technically have the wood in our inventory. I think it's in the chest. I think it's in the chest. I don't know. But anyways. Let's just mine out this tree. Also, let's drink our soup. So apparently, we're losing loads of hunger. Also, let's see what's in this tree though. Like, in case you don't know, guys, sometimes when you mine trees, there'll be things like apples that come. So, yeah, we want those. Those are things we need. So, oh, there's a cow all the way over there. Yeah, there's a cow all the way over there. Maybe we'll just kill this cow. Yeah. Oh. Dude. I'm sorry I'm not saying bye at the end of any of my videos. Oh, I'm really okay. Phew, that's not bad. Okay, have to eat raw. Raw does not give law. So, we got exactly the amount we need. Well, first of all, we gotta eat the soup. But we have enough to make the horse, or just enough so we don't waste anything. Yeah, I think the recipe is like, even I forgot. See, that's so hard. It's like this. See, yeah, it's like this. Okay. Let's see if I can memorize it. Okay, it's a bowl here. Beetroot. Yeah. This is a hard recipe, guys. It's not too hard, actually. No, but it's hard to memorize. Yeah, it's hard to memorize, though. That's a problem. It's hard to memorize. Yeah, it's hard to memorize. That's the problem. It's just hard to memorize, okay? But you have no food on your hand, and you have plenty of important things on your inventory, like diamonds, to make a chest. You don't have enough space in your inventory, and then, oopsies, you don't have, you cannot keep diamonds. And the only way to do it is by throwing a stack of diamonds away, and yeah, get something, or you can just get your own spawn point, then do the /kill feature, then boom, shakalaka, you did it! Yay! Yeah, you're gonna come back full health. I'm just gonna show you guys. I lost a bit of hunger. Yeah, let's say I'm gonna get attacked by a spider. I'm not gonna survive. Let's say I'm gonna get attacked by a skeleton, and I'm not gonna survive. Oh, who's gonna win this fight? Spider? Dude. Oh, the spider won this fight, and I won against the spider. Oh, bones are important, guys. How many times? I say so. Bones seem like they useless. I mean, technically, what do you do with bones? Mostly nothing, right? I mean, make bone meal, but you can also get some. But I don't really need some pets, you know. Oh, zombie. Okay. Let's say I got killed by a zombie. Oops. But back to full health. See ya, guys? Back to exact full health. Yeah, I need to go to my house. Need to go now. Good mode. How do I escape this now? I'm going to put my camera here. Okay, there we go. Open. Also, you see that. Never mind, that is my grandma. Can we see the camera? No. Okay, I forgot I was in survival mode, so yeah, I'll just beat him up. Oops, I'm mining dirt. See, you went fast. Career mode. No, that's a problem. That's a big problem. Yeah. So yeah. But I like this village. It's quite big. It's a big village. You know, I like it. I especially like the design. What's something I don't like about the village? It's less hay. It's like there's no hay. And then we did not make cows. And yeah, see those creepers. Those creepers explode the place. I even used to have another Minecraft world, but I did not like it much. I mean, I actually had another Minecraft world, but that Minecraft world just got contaminated by creepers. Actually, that is still there. The Minecraft world is still there. It's completely contaminated. Yeah. Look at this. Okay. I probably have to sleep by now. Just so I get my spawn point back. Yeah. I need my spawn point back. Remember, I just had a worse spawn point. I have to like break the bed. Does breaking the bed even work? I don't know. I'm just leaving my door open for fun. What's the problem leaving your door open? You have to look. Also, if there are a little bit of grass, I'm sorry about that, guys. Yeah. The reason is sometimes when I'm fighting. Oh, we have the cow. Yeah. Sometimes when I'm fighting, I usually end up in a little bit of twist, and that little twist comes along in. Yeah, let's put that there. That little twist like pushes me. Like sometimes mobs just push me like behind blocks. Like oh no, like that. Okay, so that's how. Sometimes you push me there, and that's just complete task. Here's the thing with the horse saddle and without the horse saddle. So first we'll show without the horse saddle. Without the horse saddle, we won't technically be able to get hurt. I mean, like from here, getting hurt. See, but if you put the saddle on. See? You're not getting hurt that much. And if it's a diamond saddle, it's going to be even better. Stop moving hurt. Yeah. You see, that what the saddle does. And I know what it's true. I think it makes it a little bit faster. And also, I think it protects the horse. I don't know. But anyway, let's close the doors. Yeah, let's get off the horse. Pet him, he's a nice boy today. I may even feed him a bit of hay. May even feed him a bit of hay. Yeah, just a bit. Bit like that. Bit. Hay. Not so much. Just a bit. Just a little bit. This is old Minecraft world, this horse. Actually, the horse is not old. I played this when I played this Minecraft world. When I first showed you this Minecraft world, I actually played a little bit more off camera. And apparently, and I just found a horse, so I just killed my other thing. The thing with the nether. Oops. Oh wait. What's the problem? Oh wait, I think we have to take the saddle off. Maybe that? And now if we... But I think he controls it now. Yeah, now it's his turn to control it. With the saddle on, it's my turn to control. Okay, get it out. Yeah. So apparently he's not hungry. Cows are nice. Oh, you know what? Oh, okay. The cow actually loves me now. That's good, but unfortunately you cannot stay in the house with me because that's my house. Oh wait, can you make him have a baby? That sounds like great. Oh, we have just enough wheat to make both of them have babies. Yeah, I don't see it. It's the one that's loving. And the one that's eating its hearts. Yeah, they're both now gonna have babies. Hey, you! Come back here. See, now why are you not gonna have babies, huh? Huh? I fed you, didn't I? Boom. Yeah, that's him. Boom. Oops. Oh, I got some. At least, okay. Now I think the video is gonna be over quite soon. I'm gonna do it for a little bit longer because I like you guys. Hey, Drown! What? Drown! You can only come. What do you want to do, Drown? You want to come to my base? You can only come to my base. You can only come to my base if you like the video and subscribe. Okay? Like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment too if you want to come to my base or not. Okay? Okay, that was a bit of a problem. Oh, cow. cow, cow.